Hi there. I'm working on a 2012 Range Rover, and I've come across a common problem with other vehicles. This is a we're on the rear driver's side, and this is a toe link with a ball joint. And the problem, of course, is trying to get a wrench on these usually rounded and corroded studs so that you can get the main nut off here. These have a decent amount of torque on them. Stock is 121 foot-pounds. So if you're taking it off for the first time, maybe you're experiencing a lot of pain with holding this still because everything spins together with this unless you have a good grip. Obviously, the drive shaft's in your way, the half shaft here. So what the size that would fit this would be a 10 millimeter, and you can see that a socket, let me see if I get a good view of that, a socket won't even fit on that. I have the head camera mount on, so I don't know if this is getting you a good shot. Anyway, that's really hard for that to fit. So I've come across a little tip. What you want to try to do, I mean, obviously people can file the ends of this with a small straight file and just kind of work your way as it spins around and get your straight edges and get all the corrosion off. But another trick that I've found is a 6-point, this is an old Craftsman, articulated little ratchet assembly. Because if you put your 10 open end on it, okay, you're gonna have, let me see if I can get this so you see it. You're gonna have a lot of slop. See all that slop in that wrench? That's not gonna hold it. And the other ends are usually 12-point or more on the other sides, and they won't hold either. So here's your 10 millimeter 6-point on the end here. And let's put this on the end. Okay. And then we're using a 21 millimeter main open-ended wrench. And you want to put a little bit of force on it to hold it. See, I'm pushing up on the 10 and I'm forcing over on the 21. And I'm rotating it to 21 so I can obviously get some swing out of this. There's not a lot inside of this wheel well. And so, yeah, just keep working it down until you get it tight, or if you're taking it off, you're taking it off. Let's get some more light there, see if that's better. Okay, and there's really no way I'm going to be able to verify 121 foot-pounds on this. So just get as best you can. Okay, so I hope that tip helps you out. If you have something on there, it may get stuck, so you just might have to tap it off. Let's see if you can see this. There you go. And you got it on there. So hopefully that tip helps you out with that dilemma. I know we've seen these on a lot of different vehicles where there's just no space in here and these things are all junked up. So hope that tip helps you out. Best of luck to you.